discomfort and nervousness. So it is not due time, and I am already here. Why? I came to tell you a little story. Since I was a little child, there has been one question that has kept me moving from the inside out. You know, I was 3 or 4, quite small, and I was at my parents' living room, and I was listening to the television and to people talk. In the last few days, there had been, I don't know why, lots of talks about wars and conflicts, and all of a sudden, I could feel it in my whole body, in each and every one of my body cells. Why? Why is it so difficult for human beings to live in peace? Why? Since I've been looking for answers. That's the reason why I became a humanist. That's the reason why I became a heart-based leadership expert. That's the reason why I became an executive coach, to contribute to world peace in supporting humans flourish. That is my purpose, my why. You have been seeing me these last few days reflecting online, on the things that bring me joy, on the things that I do good, on the ways that I can bring more value to the world. Effectively, I've been reflecting on my purpose. Because, when I look at human beings, at myself, at yourself, at us, I see us like little seeds, very little seeds, full of potential, and creating the space, the conditions, the environment, and the moments to support the little seeds to transform, to grow, to become the plant, the tree, or the flower that they are meant to be. That's what brings me joy. That's what I love about being a coach, helping you grow so I can grow myself, contributing to world peace in supporting you flourish. Yeah. In fact, my purpose is very deeply tied with who I am. You see, my name is Maria Reig Florensa. Maria comes from Egyptian, and it means love. Reig comes from Latin, and it means leadership. And flourishment also comes from Latin, and it means, have I said flourishing? Florensa is my name, and it also means flourishing. Love, leadership, flourishment. Yeah, that's my name. That's who I am, and that's what I do. Yeah. That is also the ultimate reason why I'm here today, despite the nervousness and the discomfort, because when you get to better understand your purpose, you're filled with a special kind of energy, the energy that thrives and propels you, that invites you to take steps in the direction of your growth. And that's what I came to do today, to grow in helping you to do the same. Yeah, it is time for flourishment. And that's why I'm sharing the exercise I have been doing these days below in the comments under these lines. Yeah, and yeah, nothing more to say, but thank you. Thank you for helping me I'll see you on the next video.